A slab.
That is a slab. How'd I do? Four.
That's it.
Alrighty. 5 and 4. It was a good day. So you guys, all we did was we cleaned the fish and let it soak in a lemon bath. Then we seasoned it up. Let me show you. See? Seasoned it up. And we're doing a shallow fry because, you know, you don't need deep fried all the time. Really, not at all. But, and then we have our sweet potato noodles going right here. We have some okra and some onions and red pepper. Okay, you guys, the crappie has been shallow fried. And now it's time to assemble our dinner. So we're gonna take some sweet potato noodles. See that? Oh man. We're gonna put them right in the middle. Here, let's get a little bit more. Put them in the middle. And this right here, so my husband and I really don't like lima beans, so I make like a soup out of it instead of having, you know, the lima beans. So it's more like a soup. We'll put that over our sweet potato glass noodles. And then this is our okra, red bell peppers, onions. Look at that. And we put that in our bowl. We have a little bit of leftover cornbread, so we're gonna put this right on the side. Look at this, you guys. All right, and now we have to put our toppings on, you guys. I mean, we love flavor in our house. I mean, a lot of flavor. So we're gonna first do our salsa. So we're gonna put like a little bit of on the border mild salsa and a little bit of our plant-based sour cream. A little dollop of it right in the center. And then we just top it off, you guys, with some fresh scallions. All right, baby, dinner's ready. That's it right there. That's it. I don't know how you cook your crappie. I don't know how anybody cooks, period. But here in GFT TV household, this is how we eat. We love variety. So the next time you guys go fishing, think outside of the box when you catch your next crappie. Until next time, you guys.